Good morning to all. Today I am going to explain number system, Indian numeric system, international system of numeration. Question: what is number? Answer: a number is a count or measurement. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as so on. Numbers are the origin of mathematics, and without numbers, mathematics is nothing. A number is a count or measurement. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as so on. And the numbers are the origin of mathematics, and without numbers, mathematics is nothing. Now, figures or digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are called figures or digits. Numerals: a group of digits denoting a number is called a numeral. For example, 45, 984, 7862 are some numerals. We can express numbers in figures as well as in words. Notation: writing a number in figures is called notation. For example, 1, 28, 348, 4789, etc. Numeration: writing a number in words is called numeration. For example, 1, 28, 348, 4789, etc. Now, in the following table, you can see the notation and numeration. Notation 1, numeration ONE1. Notation 28, numeration is 28, TWENTY EIGST 8. Notation 348, numeration THREE3, HUNDRAD 100, FORTY 40, EIGST 8. 348. Notation 4789 and numeration FOUR4, THOU SAND 1000, SCVEN 7, HUNDRED 100, EIGSTY 80, NINE 9, 4789. Now question number 1. Please fill the numeration. Notation: 78, 47, 249, 1249. Question 2. Please fill the notation. Here, please fill the notation. There are two types of system of writing numbers. For example, all the digits of the following numbers are same, but place of commas is changed. 1. 7,89,54,869, and in second, 78,954,869. We read first number 789,54,869 as 7,89,54,869. This system is Hindu-Arabic system of numeration or Indian numeric system. And we read second number 789,54,869 as 78,954,869. This is international system of numeration. This is international system of numeration. Hindu-Arabic system, Indian system of numeration. In this system of writing numbers, we separate the digits in the various periods. These periods are ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, and as so on. As we can see in the table, ones period has 3 columns or 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds, and thousands period has 2 columns, thousands and 10,000s, and lakhs period has 2 columns, lakhs and 10 lakhs, and in crores also 2 columns, crores and 10 crores. So 17. So the number written in the table is 79 crore 54 lakh 97,215. Now international system of numeration. In this system of writing numbers, we separate the digits in the various periods. These periods are ones, thousands, millions, and as so on. For example, we can see the table. In this table, ones period has 3 columns or digit, ones, tens and hundreds. Thousand period also 3 digits or column, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions period also 3 digits, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. So the number written in the table is 489 millions 856,549. Now in this page, question number 3, please fill the following table for the number. The number is 4 crore 80 lakh 1009. You have to write this number in the notation form in this given table. Now question number 4, please fill the following table for the number 10,42,160. You have to write this number in the notation form in this given table. Now question number 5, please write the following number to the numeration. Please write the following number to the numeration, Hindu-Arabic system of numeration, and the number is 78958746. And question number 6, please write the following number to the numeration, international system of numeration. Thank you.